Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I create this super cute and easy faux freckle trend using only two products, technically only one, but if you love the look of this faux freckles or you just want to enhance your own freckles, keep watching. The only products you will need to create the faux freckles is the natural brow shaper in Mahogany and the precise eyeliner brush. The first way of application is by grazing the precise liner brush on the brow shaper and dotting uneven dots along the cheeks and nose, then quickly tapping them out before they dry. This is really important so that the freckles don't look too drawn on. I also picked the color Mahogany as it's a cool tone and looks more natural. The second way of application, which I find easier and more realistic, is by dotting the brow shaper on your fingertip, then pressing it on the skin. This definitely looks more like freckles. Repeat this process until you are happy with the amount of freckles on the skin. To make the freckles look more realistic, sweep a small amount of Skin Weightless powder foundation across them so they look like they are sitting under makeup. I love how cute and natural these look. And there you have it, my easy faux freckle look that you can create in no time. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.